How to use audio notes in Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app, launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to use the audio notes in Bumble app, Bumble's audio notes feature allows users to send voice messages to the matches. So in order to use the audio notes in Bumble, you have to open a chat. So head over to the chat section. The people you have matched with before will appear over here. You can open up a chat. Once you're in this chat page, now you need to tap and hold on the microphone icon at the bottom right. You can record your message and then release to send. You can reply to specific messages using the audio notes. So instead of typing, you can record your message and send it in the chat. So that's it. That's how you can easily use audio notes in Bumble app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.